Imagine a world where your money doesn't just sit idle, but works tirelessly to multiply itself. A world where the path to financial freedom begins with a single step, the step into the realm of investing. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of investing and explore the basics of how to start investing and building wealth. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Before we start with today's video, hello everybody. Welcome back to the Growth Gurus, where learning never stops. So, now let's get started with Investing 101, How to Start Investing and Building Wealth. Investing and building wealth journey can be traveled through 7 steps. Moving ahead with step 1 in the investing process, that is setting your financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? There are different goals of individuals for investing. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or maybe for your children's education? Clearly defining your financial goals will help you determine your investment strategy and the time horizon for your investments. Step 2 in investing and creating wealth is to understand the different investment options available. There are various asset classes to consider for an investment, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, retirement plans, and mutual funds. Each asset class carries its own level of risk and potential return. It's important to educate yourself on these options and assess your risk tolerance to make informed investment decisions. Risk assessment is essential as every individual risk appetite is different depending on their socioeconomic background. Step 3 is to create an investment plan after having a clear understanding of your financial goals and investment options. Start by setting a budget and determining how much you can invest regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to investing. The more disciplined and regular you are with your investing, the better it is. Consider automating your investments through regular contributions to a retirement account, or brokerage account, or going for a systematic investment plan in mutual funds. This way, you'll be investing consistently without having to actively remember to do so. The 4th step is about diversification. Diversifying your investment portfolio is essential to manage risk effectively. Diversification is an investment in different assets like gold, stocks, property, mutual funds, bank FDs, and other assets. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, spread your investments across different asset classes and industries. This way, if one investment performs poorly, you have other investments to potentially balance out the losses. Diversification is a smart strategy to protect and grow your wealth. Step 5 is staying informed. Keep up with financial news, market trends, and company performance. Stay connected through reliable sources such as financial news, investment blogs, and reputable financial advisors. Read good books on investing, and so on. Human psychology may get affected by emotions, and one needs to remind themselves continuously about the technicals of finance to remain invested. Remember, knowledge is power, and being well informed can help you make sound investment decisions. Step 6 is understanding that investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on your long-term goals and stick to your investment plan. Investing requires patience and discipline. You increase your chances of achieving financial success by staying committed to your plan and not being swayed by short-term emotions. Finally, don't forget to review and adjust your investment portfolio periodically. Life circumstances and market conditions change over time. Regularly assess your investment performance, make adjustments, and rebalance your portfolio. This ensures that your investments align with your changing financial goals and risk tolerance. To sum it up, investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and securing your financial future. By setting clear goals, understanding investment options, creating an investment plan, diversifying your portfolio, staying informed, being patient, and regularly reviewing your investments, you can embark on a successful investing journey. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the Growth Gurus, where learning never stops, for more valuable content. We hope you found this Investing 101 guide helpful. As always, feel free to leave your questions and comments below. Until next time, happy investing.